Nakita mo naman yung habol na yun. Yap, drops it to Ralimi.
So, at that time, yung depensa ng Air 21 napunta doon sa passer. So, nalibre ito si Weda Ralimi.
Hand off to Gary David. Back to Ranidel. Takes a long jumper. TM3 din yan.
Dalawa na lang ito no?
It's raining. Para sa Air 21. Nag-uulan ng 3. 11 puntos.
Well, dumating yung game producer nga pala natin si Richard De Losario. We'd like to congratulate him as well as Coach Helasio Abanilla III.
Very nice, ano?
Giving St. Benil the second straight win and solo lead in the NCAA.
Ayan, di ba? Tingnan natin kung masustain ng...
Tingnan natin kung makatatlo pa sila. Baka hanggang doon na lang
Makikita natin yan. Stephen Thomas, turnaround jumper, in and out. And Stephen Thomas, his shooting has been a bit off in this ball game. Roger Yap season opening goes all the way.
Alam mo, ang nangyari dyan? Parang kutsilyo, hiniwa yung halaya.
Yun na nga eh. Yun ang nangyari doon talaga. And the reaction or no reaction on the part of the two Pure Foods the Air 21 Express players. And Roger Yap, aggressive drive to the basket. Gary D. Looking for Stephen Thomas. Bagsak si Thomas.
Si Weda Ralimi.
Hindi makapaniwala si Ralimi na natawagan siya ng foul on the play. Pero
It was a case of Ralimi teaching of extra wasabi.
yun na nga eh. Ayun no? Oh, boom.
Diba? Sinobrahan niya ng wasabi yun Kaya ganun ang nangyari.
Ito, pass to Gary David inside. He loves it down there. And he's one of those smaller guys na manghiling mag-operate dyan sa ilalim, left or right. It doesn't matter for Gary David. Misses the shot, gets the foul on Peter Jun Simon.
Pang-apat yun
Si Peter Jun Simon. And 2 free throws para kay Gary D. But not before this timeout from the Pure Foods TJ Giants. 5:55 na natitira sa ating third quarter.